Boy, the story remains the same for the dollar versus Swiss franc. It's remained in a narrow trading range between about 0.8400 and 0.8537, going all the way back to around August 21st, 20th, and that has traders, getting whipped around back and forth. But the technicals are still in play and still telling the story, and I'll go through that story once again in this video. The story has been familiar with this red box being pushed around from going back to this day right here earlier in, around the August 2021 area. There have been a number of different swing highs at the top end of this red box, a number of different swing lows at the low end of this red box. There have been some breaks, including right here. This is the U.S. jobs day. We also fell below it here. This was the Fed meeting on the top side. We did move above it here. We also moved above it here a little bit, and we started the whole thing off by coming down and then moving back above that level and starting the whole process right through here. So apart from these these other higher and low red boxes, the price action has been through here, and that's a lot of different hourly bars that have been built within that area. Now, in between the red box sits this cluster of moving averages, including the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, the 100-hour moving average on the hourly chart, and the 200-hour moving average. All those moving averages come between 0.8867 and 0.887474. And as you can see, the price is now down, testing the lower of those moving averages after spiking back to the upside after moving below those moving averages and trading yesterday. So if we were to move below these moving averages with any sort of momentum, then we would tilt the bias back to the downside once again. The high price that we saw in trading here today entered this swing area here, which is a level that was defined, going back in time to these different swing lows and swing highs through here, 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 and here. It's not the perfect area. There's lots of movements within that moved outside of the area and quickly reversed, and so on and so forth. But the last time the price tested up here, trading yesterday, we found willing sellers, and today we moved up toward the high of that swing area and found willing sellers. That high of the swing area also comes near the 85 level. I would say a better level of resistance comes here, where the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and the 38.2% retracement of this move to the downside is located, and that level on further upside momentum would be more of an interest to me, especially since we did hold resistance against a 38.2% retracement on Thursday and Friday of last week's trading. So keep that in mind. I guess that's Friday and Monday of this week's trading. So keep that in mind if we should rebound back to the upside from here. But right now, the sellers are trying to make their play, trying to get back below the moving averages here. And if they can do that, then look toward the 0.8448 level, and then back down toward the 0.8431 level, and then back down toward the low of the swing of the ups and downs here near the 84 level on the downside. So that's my look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.